Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Apple Music subscription and the Alexa app signed into the same region you use. Open the Alexa app now and tap More, then Settings. Once done, go to Music and Podcasts to add a new service. This step links accounts so Alexa can request songs legally and access your library. Make sure your Echo is online and on the same Wi-Fi. This prevents authentication failures when you authorize Apple Music in the next step. You enable the Apple Music skill and follow prompts to sign in with your Apple ID. This grants Alexa permission to stream your purchased tracks and playlists. After signing in, explicitly choose Apple Music as your default provider under Music and Podcasts so you don't have to say "on Apple Music" every time. Once linked, test by asking for a song and artist. If Alexa can't find tracks, check region settings because Apple Music availability depends on country and account region. You now control playback with natural phrasing. Alexa, play chill hits on Apple Music, or simply Alexa, play Taylor Swift once Apple Music is default. For advanced uses, create routines that start playlists at a schedule or group devices for multi-room playback. If audio won't play, first say "Alexa, what music is playing?" Then relink the Apple Music skill or restart the Echo. Network or authorization glitches are the most common causes. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.